Hi, I am Victor. You are watching the Holy Stone Drone Troubleshooting video series. In this video, we will cover headless mode and one key return. The flight controller and the gyroscopes are used to determine a drone's orientation. This is a gyroscope, often referred to as a gyro. With a thin spinning wheel, the gyro will remain stable in most conditions. The stability of the gyro is what stabilizes the drone in the air. In the HS-200, the gyro is mounted on the flight controller, the brain of the drone. The gyro gathers information of the drone's position and movements and sends it to the flight controller. The flight controller uses the data to maintain stable flight. In headless mode, the flight controller only records the orientation data of the gyro during the drone and controller's binding process. Any modification of the gyro's orientation during the flight will not be recorded. As a result, no matter how you turn the drone, the direction of the flight is based on the initial positioning of the drone during the binding. The left stick controls throttle and yaw. The yaw is the rotation of the drone around its center point, either to the left or right. The right stick controls directional motion. The two arms with white LED lights indicate the front of the drone. When in normal mode, the directions are reversed when the drone is facing the pilot. Now enter headless mode. Regardless of the direction the drone is facing, pushing forward on your stick will always take your quad away from you, and pushing back on the quad will always take it back towards you, provided the drone is in front of you. Now we yaw the drone so the front is facing the pilot's left. In normal mode, forward control stick inputs will put the quad to the left of the pilot. In headless mode, it will go forward respective to the pilot. So basically, in headless mode, I can yaw in full circles like this and still fly normally, since the relative direction of the drone does not change. Left is left and right is right, even when spinning. Flying in a straight line while spinning in normal mode is extremely difficult. Headless mode removes the need to be concerned with how and where the drone has yawed. Regardless of the yaw, pushing the control stick toward the pilot will cause the drone to head back towards the pilot. We can spin it in any direction, and left will always be left, and right will always be right. For the one key return, the quad will fly in the direction that takes it towards where it was paired. For both headless mode and one key return mode, it is essential for the pilot to stay stationary facing the same direction when the binding occurred. Bear in mind, with one key return, it will keep flying in the set direction, possibly passing over the pilot, and will keep going until one key return is cancelled or the pilot resumes control. When we bind the drone, we always place it in front of us facing the same direction we are. Now fly the drone in front of us. If we press one key return, the drone flies toward us. To cancel one key return, simply move the control stick and it will resume control. And now we fly the drone in front of us, over to our left. While it is facing towards our right, we press the one key return. The drone flies in a line which is parallel to the orientation where it was paired. If we stay in the same location, the one key return has it flying back towards our location, regardless of the orientation of the drone. Hopefully these demos have given you a better understanding of how the drone responds while in headless mode and when you use one key return. There are a few situations that may cause loss of control, leading to a crash or a flyaway. Flying out of the transmitter's range is a major problem. To test what the drone will do in this situation, fly a few feet off the ground in a wide open area and turn the controller off. Some drones will slowly descend and land automatically, others will have unpredictable behavior. If it doesn't auto land, quickly turn on the controller and rebind it to the drone before it goes out of range. Others lose the drone by engaging the one key return feature and not cancelling it once the drone gets near the pilot. It will continue to fly in the same direction until the pilot resumes control over the drone. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Should you have any questions, contact us at the email address given below.